Showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok comments not loading. So let's say you open your TikTok, try to read your comment, it's just not being displayed. One thing, the comment which the person posted, he might have removed it. That's why you're not being able to see that, because some people, they comment and in a second they remove it because they didn't want it to comment that. By mistake they did it and it's removed. So you are gonna get a notification that somebody commented, but when you try to see it, it's not gonna be shown. So that could also be the case. The other thing, that before I show you our internet connection, so make sure to check if your internet connection is slow or not, alright? Because if it is slow as well, the comment is not gonna load. So you need to wait for some time until like the internet is fast, or you need to wait for some time until the comment loads up, because sometimes it takes a bit of time for the comment to load, alright? So if it is slow internet, make sure to change into data connection or make sure to change into another internet, alright? And sometimes TikTok also goes into a server maintenance break. If that's the case, then also TikTok is not going to work properly, because during maintenance break, TikTok doesn't work properly. Like their video keeps unloading, and if you try to post a video, it doesn't post. So these kind of problem occurs, and sometimes comment also doesn't loads up, right? So if that's the case, then you need to wait until TikTok decides to go fully online again after repairing their server. If that's the case, the only thing you can do is wait. But let's say your internet is not slow, and let's say like your TikTok is also not under maintenance break, and the person has not removed the comment and you're still facing this problem. What you can do is go on your profile at the bottom, click on the tree line at the top, go on setting and privacy, and over here scroll a bit down, you can see clear cache. Click on clear cache. Your cache will be cleared. If doing this also didn't work, what you can do is delete your TikTok, reinstall it again. Doing that should probably fix your problem.